working with Chameleon Foundation on and off, but it's been how many years since we met?
8 then?
Like 8 years? We met sa Paris, tapos we met during an event there, and I found out that she was doing work sa Iloilo, dito sa country natin. And na-intriga ako kasi she was a French woman who I met outside of the Philippines, and then yun pala connected siya dito sa bansa natin. And then I found out about her work with Chameleon, and na-feature siya sa documentary ko, yung Paris to Pinas. So it's yun, she protects the rights of sexually abused survivors, and dinala niya ako a couple of times sa foundation nila in the last 8 years, and she has been doing great work dito sa country. Tapos naging friends na rin kami ni Laurence, and until, ayun na nga, na-award siya ng pinakamataas na parang recognition sa France, and she was the one that inspired me actually to do humanitarian work. Yun. So siya yung unang nag-push sa akin na yung mga pwedeng gawin para sa bansa natin.
Ma'am, how is Casey as your partner in doing what she said as humanitarian works?
Sumusupport naman ako sa
Yes, she's supporting. She's fidel in her friendship. Well, first she's my friend, but
loyal. You're so friendship.
Yes, and she came to Iloilo, to Passy, to see the children and the staff and the program. It was very meaningful for all the team of Chameleon. She advocates and helped us, speaking of the issue of sexual abuse, and for us it's very important because it's still taboo in the Philippines, and she can use her celebrity and her
status, of course,
status here to speak of the cause, which I cannot do much as a foreigner and not known here. I can do work on the ground, but it's hard for me. So I was telling her
to help you.
To help me, and since she is lucky to be known in a way, to use it also for a good cause and a meaning. So that's what she's doing, and I checked that she's doing it.
Case,
Para ko siyang teacher.
Bakit parang napaka-attached mo? Why you are so attached to this kind of charitable works, charity works?
For Chameleon, I think pagdating kasi sa abuse, di ba? You should not allow that to destroy who you are. Siguro nakikita ko, na-meet ko yung mga batang babae sa foundation, and may mga kakilala na rin naman ako that have been through sexual abuse. And hindi talaga madali kasi nasisira yung buong pagkatao nila, which hindi naman dapat ganun ang ending ng buhay nila, diba? So, I think naging very personal lang yung connection ko sa ganung problema or sa ganung issue. And si Laurence nga yung unang nagturo sa akin about yung katotohanan or the truth behind, yung reality behind yung stories ng mga batang babae that have gone through sexual abuse. And yung para makatulong ka, the therapy that you give them, it's life-changing. Talagang nagta-transform ng buhay nila, ng pagkatao nila, ng respeto nila sa sarili nila. I feel very strongly about it. Dahil babae din naman ako, na may mga kapatid na babae kaming lahat, di ba?
Correct.
And yung mga kaibigan ko na naman, na pinagdaanan na rin yun. Very personal sa akin yung